Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Garmin training plans. You can elevate your fitness journey with personalized guidance. These structured plans are designed to help you reach diverse goals, whether you are aiming for your first 5-kilometer run or preparing for a marathon. They provide the consistency and direction many athletes need to see real improvement, adapting to your personal progress over time. Finding the ideal training plan begins in your Garmin Connect app or on the website. Here, you can easily browse a wide variety of plans, filtering by activities like running or cycling and specific goals such as a 10-kilometer event. Carefully consider your present fitness and how many days a week you can realistically commit to training, typically 3 or 4, to select the best fit. After selecting your plan, you have the flexibility to make minor adjustments, perhaps swapping a recovery run to a different day of the week. Next, easily sync the entire plan directly to your compatible Garmin watch through the app. Your device will then guide you daily, showing your scheduled workout and providing real-time instructions and targets, ensuring you stay on track with every session. Executing your plan means following the daily workouts, focusing on the suggested paces or specified heart rate zones, for example, maintaining 60% of your maximum heart rate. Your Garmin device will automatically record all your performance data during each session. Review this information regularly within the Garmin Connect app, allowing you to celebrate your advancements and make informed decisions about future training cycles, continually pushing towards new personal bests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.